Hi, Professor. This is Nidia Apostle. Today, this is the results of the dilution and enumeration of the bacteria in our plates. This is the results of what our experiment was. We're gonna begin showing the plate. So let me go ahead and turn it. So this is my first plate that I did. So number one, if we see it in the light, it has so much that is not viable, it's not countable, there's too much in there. As we were diluting, number two, but it's still having too much, so we're not able to count nothing viable in there. Then we have number three. As we diluting, you can see number three begins to grow bacteria because it's less that we have. Then we have number four. You can appreciate number four right there with the bacteria. Okay. Then we have number five. As we diluting less and less, you can appreciate less colonies. So there it is. That's number five. And then we ending with number six. Number six, you can see is totally count and viable. And remember, viable is between 30 to 300. So this one has close to 300, 298. So it's a viable count. And this is 10.6. So as you see, as you dilute it, it was less of the colonies forming. What can I do better? I think that weather has not been at my favor here with these experiments. I have tried to give them extra 24 hours, and I have to use a warm blanket inside of my dresser where I put them. It's a little tiny dresser over there. Put a blanket. I try to keep them warm. My house is not insulation, so it's really, really cold. It's like a refrigeration here. So I think that that didn't work at my favor. And then as far as the transfer of the dilution, I think that you just gotta be very careful to dilute it properly when you're grabbing with the pipette, the 0.25, because if you go a little bit above, then it goes a little bit off in the amount of the material. Well, that's it for me. This is the video of the dilution and transfer of the bacteria. And like I said, I ended with a viable count in 10.6, and the others were no countable viable.